Alright people, what's going on? I'm back with another vid. I'm actually in a duck hunting spot at the moment because, I don't know, I went down last night with Justin, Frankie, and Jish. I don't know, our blind is currently flooded. The river is extremely high right now. It's putting a damper in my mood, I should say. But yeah, I'm fishing it. Last night I had on an absolute giant. It just snapped off. Pretty sure it's a big smallmouth. But yeah, dude, check this badass spot out, dude. The sick part about this spot is those trees out there are supposed to be flooded, and if I can take a yak out on this, I'm sure I can land a big one. But it's the Wisconsin River. I don't know if my parents are gonna let me do that, so that kind of sucks. And right now, I don't know if I'm catching anything because this bank is just completely flooded. Check this out. Right there is like a 2-foot drop off, and then there's 2 inches to stand on, which should not be like that because that's not good at all. But yeah, dudes, bass are jumping everywhere, so I'm gonna put down the camera. So I'm gonna put you on the little GoPro because I'm not wearing the chest mount at all because, you know, the bank is flooded and I have enough to deal with already. So hopefully this works out all right. All right, dude, there's another bass. So it's looking pretty good. Finally. This isn't really working out. I should probably rig this thing weightless, but I don't want to take the time to do that. It's working out pretty well. I only have an hour left because I'm only supposed to be down here till 6. Shut up. Alright. Decent little largemouth. First fish, boys. Caught my first fish. Little largemouth. Hopefully I get on something a little bit bigger. There she goes. I don't know if she's alive, but there she goes, dude. Oh, this is a good one. Not good at all. Alright, dude, that's about the same size. The color on these is just so weird. It's like yellow. Check that bad puppy out. Actually, I'm gonna get my phone out because the GoPro does not focus very well. See, dude, like the color is like yellowish. That's what I was trying to point out on the GoPro, but I don't think she worked. See you later, dude. Number 2. Holy shit, that was cool. Northern? That's not good. Stop freaking out, please. You fucker. I hate Northern. Alright, people. Caught like a 25 inch Northern. Alright, people, I'm sorry about the shitty ass video. Like, the audio on it is pretty cruddy. Everything about it is just really cruddy. I don't know. Should have made it better. Should have put it on my chest, not a tripod. But it's done. It's over, so can't do anything about it. But yeah, that's the end of the vid. I didn't even make an outro. Here's the outro, dude. Yeah, thanks for watching, dude. And I'll catch you in the next one. Hopefully, the next vid is a bit more exciting. See ya, dude.